Alright, on this video, I'll be taking you on a ride on how to provide liquidity for crypto platforms and be making money from them. Alright, now if you have been in the crypto space for quite a while now, you may think that one of the only ways to make money in crypto is by either you are doing crypto airdrop, you are trading, or you are hunting for Web3 jobs. But I would like to let you know that there are many ways to make money in this crypto space aside doing these three I just mentioned. And one of those ways are by providing liquidity to crypto platform. Now, the word liquidity, now it might be kind of strange to you or confusing to you. Let me break it down for you, okay? Before we go deep into the main tutorial on how to provide liquidity for crypto platforms. Let's say, for example, you want to buy cryptocurrency. Let's use Bitcoin as an example, all right? Now, you have your money with you that you want to use to buy this Bitcoin. But on getting to the crypto market, there is no Bitcoin for you to buy. The reason you could not get any Bitcoin to buy was because there was no liquidity for Bitcoin at that point in time. Okay, and let's take it the other way around. Let's say, for example, you have Bitcoin that you want to sell to maybe USDT or USDC. On getting to crypto markets, you could not sell your Bitcoin. This is because there was no buyer. So the reason for this is that there is no liquidity at that point in time to buy your Bitcoin. Okay, so when you supply liquidity to crypto exchanges, what you are simply doing is that you are giving them money to have available cryptocurrency so that whenever anybody wants to buy that cryptocurrency, there will be cryptocurrency available for them to buy. And also, whenever someone wants to sell their cryptocurrency, there will be enough available USDT or USDC for them to sell their cryptocurrency to. All right? So that is just it. And in turn, for you giving these platforms your money to use to provide liquidity, you'll be making money from the transaction fees. They will be charging these people that are doing buying and selling with the money you provided to that exchange. So guys, without wasting much time, let's dive right into it on how to provide liquidity. And we'll be using the Plaza Finance platform together with Aerodrome. So let's dive right into it. For more crypto updates, don't forget to hit on this follow button for me or subscribe button. Drop me a comment and share with your contact, alright? This is the only way to encourage me to do more. And if you're too busy right now to follow up with this video to the end, I would advise you add it to your favorite, which is bookmark this video and also like it so you can come back to it when you are less busy. So for us to start, we'll be needing any of the cryptocurrency wallet app, maybe MetaMask, BitGet wallet, KuCoin wallet, OKS wallet, Bybit wallet, Binance wallet, and others. But please, if you are using Phantom wallet, try and download any of the wallet I just mentioned right now. Okay, so right now I'm using the BitGet wallet. So on your crypto wallet, locate Discover on your crypto wallet. Depending on the wallet you are using, locate Discover. This is it right here on BitGet. Now I will drop the link to the website on the description of this video. You can also get it on the comment section of this video. Copy the link and paste it right here. Okay. Here is the Plaza Finance platform. Click on Launch App. Scroll to the last part of this. Now click on Confirm. All right. So go down here. Go down. Now you will see bond end/USDT and leverage end/USDT. Okay. Now if you want to provide bond end liquidity, it means that you will be providing both the bond end and the USDT. Same thing applies with leverage end. Leverage, you have to provide leverage end and USDC. All right. So for Plaza Finance, you can see the points you'll be getting on Plaza Finance. If you are doing this, you'll be getting 20 points per each dollar you provide as liquidity. So this point will actually tell us how many numbers of coins you are going to be getting from Plaza Finance when they want to do their airdrop distribution. All right. So right now, for us to provide liquidity, we need to buy either the bond end or the leverage end. To do this, you need to have Ethereum in your wallet. The same wallet you connected to the Plaza Finance platform, you need to have Ethereum on that very wallet. And the Ethereum needs to be on Base network. I repeat, on Base network. Now, to buy the bond end or the leverage end, click on Buy and Sell. All right, so you can see it right here. Ethereum to bond end. This means that you want to buy with Ethereum and you want to buy bond end. Let's say, for example, you want to buy leverage end. Just click on this bond end right here and change it to leverage end. Okay, then enter the number of Ethereum you want to use to buy leverage end. All right, example, let me enter this maximum right here. Okay, you can see here is $13. You can see here what I will get here, $13 also. If you're okay with this, just scroll down here and click on swap. Then automatically you will get your leverage ends. All right, so I have bond ends already. You can see it right here that I have bond ends already. You can see my balance right here. Okay, so I don't need to do this. Now, in case you have bond ends and you have withdrawn your bond end from the liquidity pool, right now you want to sell it back to Ethereum, you can see right here, you have to come back to this buy and sell. Okay, then let me just swap this right now. You can see it right here now. Okay, now I can sell this bond ends right now to Ethereum by entry maximum, but I don't want to sell it. Okay, so let's go and provide liquidity. Click on your home button. So right now we want to provide bond ends/USDC. Please take note of this. If you are providing bond end liquidity, you also need to provide USDT also as liquidity. Okay, let's say for example you have $100 you want to use to provide liquidity. you have to split it 50-50. $100 for bond ends, $100 for USDC. This, okay? Same thing applies to leverage ends as well. I have USDC already. So now let me just go to the liquidity platform. Click on bond ends. All right, now click on sign in. Signature. So this is the Aerodrome platform where we have to provide our liquidity, okay? But please don't access this platform directly. Access the platform from the Plaza Finance platform. This is the only way Plaza Finance will record your details, your data that yes, you provided liquidity and they'll be giving you points, okay? So right now to provide liquidity, just go down here. You can see it right here, okay? Now you can see my bond end balance right here. You can see my USDT balance right here, okay? Now you can enter the numbers of bonds you want to provide as liquidity. You can enter it manually or you can just click on your maximum balance. All right, so this is it right here. Now click on deposit. We have provided our liquidity, okay? Successfully provided our liquidity. Now, in case you want to withdraw your liquidity, maybe you don't want to provide liquidity again, please note, this money is still your money, all right? You can choose to withdraw it at any point in time, whenever you wish to withdraw it, okay? Now, let's say, for example, that you want to withdraw your liquidity back. You don't want to provide liquidity again. On that same Aerodrome platform, click on this button at the top here. Then click on dashboard. So right now, to withdraw this liquidity back, just click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, the money will be transferred back to your wallet. Is that easy? You know, pass like this. So guys, that is it on how to provide liquidity. There are so many platforms you can provide liquidity to, right? So many platforms you can provide liquidity to, and you'll be making money from those platforms, all right? And I'll be making more videos regarding this. So stay tuned, all right? To support me, don't forget to hit on this follow button. Very important for me, all right? And also like this video for me, for the video to get more visibilities, more views, all right? And also drop me your comments. Very important, okay? I'm always on the comment section. And yeah, take your contact along as well by sharing this video with them. See you on the next one. It's Crypto Sam. Bye for now.